The Takuoo 1300N.m impact wrench is designed for heavy-duty tasks, offering impressive torque that is ideal for large construction projects and automotive repairs. It features a 3-speed selection with a variable speed trigger, allowing for precise torque control to prevent over-tightening or stripping of fasteners. The impact wrench includes both forward and reverse modes, along with a brake stop feature that enhances safety by preventing parts from flying off when loosening nuts and bolts. Equipped with two 4-ampere-hour batteries and a fast charger, this tool ensures extended use and minimal downtime with quick recharging capabilities. An LED light and a 5-inch socket extension make it perfect for working in tight and dimly lit spaces, offering convenience and efficiency. The advanced brushless motor technology reduces energy loss and noise, ensuring a longer motor life, making the Takuoo impact wrench a reliable tool for professionals.